How to make a one page on Google site. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a complete one page website using Google site. And the best part, it is completely free. Whether you are a small business owner or freelancer or someone who just want a personal website, this tutorial is for you. Now, if you're not familiar with what is Google site, so it basically Google Site is a free website builder provided by Google. It is super beginner friendly, doesn't require any coding skill, and it is perfect for creating a simple website quickly. With Google Site, you can create anything from a business landing page to a personal portfolio in just a few minutes. Now, let's get started. First thing first, what you have to do is just simply access the googlesite.com or just simply type the Google site in your browser and click on the first link. Something will appear in front of you. Right now, I have already signed in with Google Sites, but if you are a new user, then you have to sign in first or create an account. Then you will get to see this kind of interface in front of you. First, you will get to see there is a blank page. This is where you can create from scratch, and these are some template gallery. If you want to explore the template gallery, you can just go and see. Right now, we are going to create from scratch, like blank set, so you can understand the dashboard of the Google site and how it works, how you can make your website good looking. Now, you can select from template and also you can customize it for free, but we will go with the blank site. Just simply click on the blank site. It will take you to Google Sites editor where you will get to see there is a title in front of you, and this is I think footer and the this is header type. Now, as you can see here in the right side, there are some options you can use to create your Google site. Like you can add text box, you can use images, you can embed something by URL, you can embed like YouTube video, or if you want to connect Google Drive from here, you can connect as well. Like if you want to access your Google Drive, you can access from it. Now, these are content blocks. Basically, these are some pre-built uh, uh, blank templates. So these are blank templates, so which means just you have to log into it and you can add your own things in these templates. And these are collapsible group, table content, image cursor. These are some features of Google site. You can use these things to make your website more cooler and good. Now, for this example, what I will do, I will just enter the site name. For example, your site name is Maker. In the left side, you will get that option and click on the add logo. Now, what you have to do, you have to upload a logo. I will just upload some a random logo over here. This is just a meme. I uploaded this earlier just to show you the tutorial. Now, click on this close button. So we have successfully added our site name and the logo as well. Now, if for example, if you want to change the header type of this, you can change as well. For example, click on the header type and the background is cover. So whatever you put in this cover, it will appear. For example, if you want, you can use image as a cover as well. Now let's go to header type. Say for example, you want large banner, Titan only, you can use that it too. Now I will go with the large banner. Now let's replace this background image with the different one. You can change theme from in the right side in the bottom. You will get to see there is option. From here you can change the theme of this color. For example, for example, I want this kind of theme in front of my this is to my cover. I can change this to my cover. Now I will choose this one and I will choose to change this image. Click on the upload. You can upload from your computer as well, but if you don't have image, you can use Google Images from the select option. So simply go over there and you can search by URL. You can search by just search Google Images. For example, I want the football image over here. Now just put select the image, click on the insert, and here we go. We have successfully added our image in the cover. Now, if you want to change the title of your text, you can change by clicking on the double clicking and just change it. For example, Football Academy. This is makeup. Now, let's say if you want to add a short description about your football academy, go to insert, scroll up, click on the text, and it will upload this text into your canvas. Drag that text into your section. From here, you can add your own text. For example, this is one of the best academy for football. So you can use it. Let's say if you want to change the title, change the font of this text, you can change by clicking or selecting the text and click on this open sand, where you can change the font of the text, as you can see. Now let's say if you want to give if you want to increase the font size, you can increase that too. Now you will get a lot of option by just clicking on the specific object, like normal text, bold, italic, underline, and the text color. If you want to choose, you can choose. Let's say if you want to insert a specific link to a specific title, you can insert from here. Now you can add emojis. You can align your text by just seeing this. Let's say we will align this in center. Let's say if you want to create a number list or bullet list, you have to just select that specific text, and just by clicking you can create it. So I will just simply align this text. So yeah, we have successfully created our cover page. Now let's say if you want to add some more content in your post, just simply drag that content block into your section, and from here in the plus icon there is a, just simply click on it. So you will get a lot of option, like let's say if you want to upload a video into this section, into this frame, you can add that too. Like let's say you have to upload from your computer, you can choose it. Let's say I will upload, no, I will not upload from my computer. I will select image or from a drive. You can give a YouTube link as well. Just go YouTube link and search for the video which you want, search it, and you can choose this and click on the insert. So yeah, this is how you can insert a video of YouTube into your Google site. Give the title YouTube video of the football most hated moment. So you can do that. Now you can add the description of this video. If you want, you can add that too. So these are some themes which are blank. You can customize based on your needs. Let's say if you want to add a specific section into your site, what you can do is a search for the section, or just tab. You can add footer by just clicking in that thing. Now what I will do, I will just simply click. So in the right side there is an option of spacer. You can add that. This is kind of it works like a spacer, and if you want to increase the space between this work as a section, so you can add those things into this section. If you are familiar what is section and what is divider, if you know, you will get that. Now you can add that over here as well. Now let's say if you want to like add a specific location, like where your academy is, you can add the content block over here. Click on the add, go into map, and from here you can select, choose the location, drop a place. For example, let's say uh, Jaipur. Drop that location, click on it, click on the select. It will take you to that location. Then again, you can add a title, you can add a description as well. So they have a lot of option to customize, and yeah, they have a lot of option to customize. You can just come over here and explore things by your own. Let's say if you want to create another project page, just simply click on this plus icon. You will get to see new menu section, or a full page embed or new page. Just simply click on the new page. It will create a new page, and in the header you will get to see that page name over here. Let's say create this. As you can see here, there is a page, and if you go back to home, it will take you to this. Now we have two pages into page section, and just simply click on the remove, and yeah, we have successfully removed our page here. Now let's say if you want to preview the website, just simply click on the preview, and it will give you a simple preview of your site, of your page. This is the preview of this page. Click on the again, and if you are satisfied with your page, just simply click on the publish, and you will have to give the web address like googlesite.com, or you can add your own domain as well. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, and then you can subscribe to our channel, uh, and thanks for watching.